place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
Welcome back to Southern Crafts DIY. This is Brandy, and today we are making a 4th of July wreath. And everything I bought here came from the Dollar Tree, and it cost $1.25. And these are the items we're going to use. Some tumblers, a little succulent, a bow, some stars, a 4th of July scarf, some rocks, a bicycle wreath frame, and these are twisters that bread twisters that I had in my house. We're gonna start with the bicycle frame wreath frame, and we're using the twisters to help bunch up the scarf while we glue it down. It's just to help. I'm going to put it in the middle. It's to help tie it down and bunch it up. So we're going to take and we're going to bunch up the scarf. And then we're going to tie it to the frame. And then we're going to go over the frame in like one of the pie shapes. And we're going to glue it down so it stays. And then we're going to tie it again. And this just helps, like I said, hold it. To the frame so that you have a good solid piece. And you're going to do you're going to have 2 sections in between each one. And then you're going to flip it back again and go back to the front and tie it down. And then glue it to help hold it. And then you'll have a little bit of overhang, so you're gonna fold it up underneath. Let me get the twister in there. Tie it. And then you're gonna tie this one as soon as I find that twister. And then there you go. You have the base of the... Oh, I forgot to glue it, didn't I? Don't forget to glue it. You have the base of the wreath. Now you're going to take and you're going to glue the stars on there, and I'm going to glue them onto the metal frame, and you can put it in different spots. Just try to make it look nice and decorative. Just put them in a couple different spots. Be imaginative, that's the word I'm thinking. Try to be just as imaginative as you can and decorative, and make it look nice. I want this one there. I don't want two the same color on the same one. And then you'll flip it over just to give it some extra staying power. And you're gonna just go over where you went just to help it hold better. Let that dry. You don't have to put them in the exact same place I put mine. The whole point is for you to do your own thing and make it look nice. I think I'll do it this way. Now we're going to put the bow on it. Put the bow down at the bottom. Give me 1 second. Put your glue on it. Make it look nice. You stick it on there. Alrighty. So there we go. Now, I am missing a star. No, I'm not. Yes. Two white, two blue. Huh. I got an extra red one on there. Thought I was missing a star. Okay. So what we're going to do is we are going to put this one in the middle, right there. So I'm going to put 2 lines of glue. Well, actually, I'll probably put 3 lines of glue just to give it a little extra stick. And then I'm going to stick it right in the middle. And I put it up where you can see Land of the Free. And that is going to be the middle one, and then we're going to put the 2 red ones on either side of it. Again, we're going to do multiple lines of glue just for the just to make it stronger. Hold. Alright, and now the last one. Get it out, get it stuck on there so it looks all nice and pretty. And what you can stick alrighty. So now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take some of this floral block. I can't remember what it's called, but you can get it at Dollar Tree for $1.25. It's stuff you stick flowers in, and I'm gonna glue it in the bottom of the middle one. And then, now that it's been glued, we're going to stick our succulent into the middle of that. Got it a little off. And then we're going to put rocks around it. And then you have a wreath. And on the two ends, you could put candles or lights or whatever you like in it. Thank you. If you like my video, hit like, share, subscribe, ring the bell. I appreciate y'all stopping by my channel. Thank you for your time.